Welcome back, everybody. Let me show you what I got going on. So I have these two stumps that have been a thorn in my side for a couple years now, and I really need to get these out in order to finish the lean-to so I can utilize it. But to go in and out with my wagon, that stump is like right in smack dab in the front of the door where the doorway is going to go. And I have this old cedar menagerie, terrible stump, and what I'm finding is a bunch of old foundation. So this acreage right here is part of this old farm. That's see that white house down there? That is part of the old farm, and there's probably tons of outbuildings out here. So I'm running into a bunch of part of foundation is what I'm guessing, and you can hear. Let's check this out. There's more down in there. So this is going to take me a while to get this sucker out. And the reason why is because this back corner by this bur oak right here is going to be Alicia's wildflower garden from the post. And I got to put more posts in so I can start the fence. So then this whole corner right here will be complete wildflowers and also strawberries. We want a strawberry patch back here too. So then after that, then I have to dig out this big hill of dirt, and it's been a big mound. This was part of the excavation when they built our house, and you can see the backside, how high it is. So the dirt pile was all the way up to those other cedars right there past the shed, and it was like 4 feet high. So we have actually spread a lot of it between these trees. This used to be just overgrown brush back here, so we claimed all that, cleaned that all out. There was like old wood piles and stuff, so we burned all of it, and this is what we have left from that excavation from right here to the post. So we're gonna have to level all that out to put her wildflower beds in, which I am so excited, guys, because I have so many seeds of native wildflowers and just wild like grasses and stuff that I had been collecting over the years from when I lived in Iowa. And I think this will be a perfect spot. All this right here next to the corner of the lean-to. So I will leave probably a 2-foot path so that if we ever need to get back behind the fence, we can, because we'll actually have to mow. So if you see this down here, it's about a 4-foot width section, and then it kind of tapers off to like almost a 3.5 back here. So yeah, this is going to be a project. And there's wild raspberries. I would really like to keep some of those in here and just make it a really a beautiful corner, because right now it's kind of a wasteland, and there's weeds, and we don't utilize it at all, and it's kind of an eyesore. If you look at it, you know, there's kind of an eyesore all down in through here. So that is what we will be working on the rest of this week, and probably this weekend. I'll try and dig out these stumps so then we can start leveling that all off. You can see how high it is right here. It is about 2.5, almost 3 feet high in order to level that down. So I'm thinking maybe do like maybe a 2-tier, because the back half is taller, and I don't know if we want to cut all of it out or just kind of make a front lowered, and then because I have all kinds of wood that I can use to make a 2-tiered. So I got some ideas, so you guys stay tuned. This is gonna be a project, but this is the beginning of it, and I wanted to make sure that I documented how crappy it looked at the start of it, because I usually end up forgetting to take footage or whatever before I start, and then I start recording like in the middle or toward the end. So I definitely wanted to show you guys what it looks like right now and what it's gonna look like. So stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be exciting. The Wildflower project is underway, guys, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.